As the leaves begin to change and the air turns crisp, there's no better time to transform your home into a cozy autumn retreat. But how do you seamlessly transition your space to reflect the rich, warm tones of the season without breaking the bank? What are the must-have trends for fall 2024 that will keep your home looking stylish and on point? Whether you're looking to update your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, I've got all the tips and tricks you need to create a fall-inspired haven. Stick around as we dive into the best fall home decor ideas that will help you embrace the beauty of the season. How can I transition my home's color palette to reflect fall trends? Updating your home's color palette is one of the easiest ways to welcome the new season. Here's how to do it effectively. Point 1. Introduce warm, earthy tones. Swap out lighter summer colors for warm, earthy tones like terracotta, deep oranges, mustard yellows, and rich browns. These colors instantly bring the warmth of fall into your home and can be incorporated through throw pillows, blankets, and even wall art. Point 2. Add deep, jewel tone accents. In addition to earthy tones, consider adding deep jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and plum. These colors not only reflect fall trends, but also add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your space. Use these in smaller accents like candles, vases, or even a statement chair. Point 3. Layer with neutral bases. To keep the look cohesive and balanced, layer these rich colors over neutral bases like cream, beige, or soft gray. This allows the fall colors to pop without overwhelming the space and gives you flexibility to change things up as the seasons change again. Like and share. Love these fall decor ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are ready to cozy up their homes this season. What are some affordable ways to incorporate fall decor into my living room? You don't need to spend a lot to make your living room feel like fall. Here are some budget-friendly ideas. Point 1. Update your throw pillows and blanket. One of the simplest ways to change the look of your living room is by swapping out your throw pillows and blankets. Choose ones in fall colors and cozy materials like knit or faux fur. These can be found at affordable prices and instantly make your living room feel more seasonal. Point 2. Use nature-inspired decor. Bring the outdoors in with nature-inspired decor. Collect pine cones, acorns, or branches and display them in vases or bowls on your coffee table or shelves. You can also use these natural elements to create DIY centerpieces or wreaths for a personal touch that doesn't cost much. Point 3. Incorporate fall-themed candles and lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for fall. Swap out your regular candles for fall-scented ones like cinnamon or pumpkin spice. Consider adding a few lanterns or string lights to create a warm, inviting glow that makes your living room feel like the perfect place to cozy up on a chilly evening. What's your favorite way to decorate for fall? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. What are the trending furniture styles for fall 2024? Furniture trends this fall are all about comfort, sustainability, and a touch of retro flair. Here's what to look for. Point 1. Curved and soft-edged furniture. Soft curves and rounded edges are making a big comeback this fall. Think of sofas with gentle curves, circular coffee tables, or even rounded armchairs. These shapes create a sense of comfort and flow in your space, making it feel more inviting. Point 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability continues to be a key trend in 2024. Look for furniture made from eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled metals. Not only do these pieces add a natural, earthy feel to your home, but they also align with the growing focus on environmentally conscious living. Point 3. Retro and vintage-inspired pieces. Retro is back in a big way this fall. Furniture inspired by the 60s and 70s, with bold colors, funky patterns, and unique shapes, is trending. Consider incorporating a vintage-inspired side table, a bold patterned armchair, or even a retro bar cart to add a touch of nostalgia to your home decor. Want more seasonal decorating inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description for more tips and tricks. How can I decorate my kitchen for a cozy fall vibe? Your kitchen is the heart of your home, especially in the fall. Here's how to make it feel warm and welcoming. Point 1. Add seasonal textiles. Start by updating your kitchen textiles. Switch out your dish towels, pot holders, and tablecloths for ones with fall patterns or in warm colors like burnt orange and deep red. These small changes can make a big impact and bring a touch of fall into your everyday cooking routine. Point 2. Create a fall-themed centerpiece. A simple way to decorate your kitchen is by creating a fall-themed centerpiece for your table or island. Use a wooden tray to hold a collection of small pumpkins, gourds, candles, and fall foliage. This not only looks beautiful, but also keeps your decor organized and easy to move when needed. Point 3. Incorporate fall scents. The kitchen is the perfect place to enjoy the scents of fall. Consider simmering a pot of water with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels to fill your kitchen with a delicious autumn aroma. You can also place fall-scented candles on your countertops. Add both fragrance and a cozy glow. Subscribe. Don't miss out on future decor tips. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get ready for the cozy season together. What are some fall-inspired bedroom decor ideas? Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, especially as the weather cools down. Here's how to make it cozy for fall. Point 1. Layer your bedding. Start by layering your bed with heavier, warmer bedding. Add a plush duvet, flannel sheets, and a few extra blankets in rich autumnal colors. This not only makes your bed more inviting, but also keeps you warm as the nights get cooler. Point 2. Add ambient lighting. Create a cozy atmosphere with soft ambient lighting. Consider adding a few string lights around your headboard or placing a couple of lamps with warm-tone bulbs on your bedside tables. This will create a soothing, intimate environment perfect for relaxing. Point 3. Incorporate fall-themed decor. Finally, add a few fall-themed decorative elements. This could be as simple as a few decorative pillows with fall patterns, throw blanket in a warm color, or a vase filled with dried flowers or branches. These touches bring the beauty of the season into your bedroom without overwhelming the space. Looking to decorate more rooms in your home for fall? Check the description for links to similar videos that will inspire you. Bringing the warmth and beauty of fall into your home doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Whether you're transitioning your color palette, updating your living room, embracing new furniture trends, cozying up your kitchen, or making your bedroom feel like a retreat, these tips will help you create a space that celebrates the season. Fall is all about comfort, warmth, and coziness, and with these ideas, you can make your home a true reflection of that spirit. Product as seen on video. Interested in the decor items featured in this video? Find them in the description below and start decorating your home today. How can I update my entryway to set the tone for fall? Your entryway is the first thing guests see, so it's the perfect place to make a seasonal statement. Here's how to do it. Point 1. Use a fall-inspired welcome mat. Swap out your regular welcome mat for one that features fall colors or motifs, like leaves, pumpkins, or a simple hello fall greeting. This small change immediately signals the seasonal transition as soon as someone steps through your door. Point 2. Decorate with seasonal greenery. Add a fall wreath to your front door and place a few potted mums or pumpkins on either side of your entryway. You can also drape a garland of fall leaves around your doorframe for a more dramatic effect. These touches make your home feel welcoming and festive right from the start. Point 3. Incorporate functional decor. Consider adding a cozy, fall-colored rug inside your entryway, along with a stylish basket for shoes or umbrellas. These pieces not only add warmth and color, but also serve practical purposes, keeping your entryway tidy and inviting. Ready to embrace the warmth and beauty of fall in your home? Start by choosing 1 or 2 areas to focus on, and let the season inspire your creativity. Whether you're going all out or just adding a few touches, these tips will help you create a cozy, stylish space that you'll love coming home to. What area of your home are you most excited to decorate this fall? Share your thoughts, and let's get started on making your home fall ready.